Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your emails or calendar events are showing up at the wrong time, don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through how to change the time settings in your Hotmail or Outlook account. The full guide. Stick with me till the end so your account stays perfectly synced across all your devices. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and head over to the Microsoft 365 website. From there, navigate to the Outlook login page. You can also type outlook.live.com directly into your address bar. Click Sign In, enter your Hotmail email and password, and once you're in, you'll be taken to your inbox. Now, make sure you're in the Mail section. Look up to the top right corner. You'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on it to open a quick settings panel. Next, scroll all the way down and select View All Outlook Settings. This opens the full settings dashboard, where we'll make the actual time adjustment. Once you're there, go to General, then click on Language and Time. This is where you'll see options for your language, date format, and, most importantly, your time zone. Now, under Language and Time, click the Change button next to the time zone settings. From the drop-down menu, select your correct region or city, double-check that the time looks accurate, and then hit Save to apply your changes. And that's it. Your Hotmail or Outlook account will now display the correct time for all your emails, meetings, and calendar events. No more confusion or mismatched schedules. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and drop a comment. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.